How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Messenger application on your device over here. As you launch the Messenger application, simply make sure you're logged into your account and then tap on the menu section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, select on Settings and then scroll down. And as you scroll down, you can see the option of Privacy and Safety. So tap on it and then tap on end-to-end encrypted chat. So tap on it and then tap on message storage. So as you do that, make sure that you have toggled on the option of secure storage. So I've already toggled on this option. So I'm going to go back. And as you do that, what you can simply do is go back again and tap on settings and then scroll down to see more in account center. As you tap on see more in account center, simply scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. Tap on it and here you can see the option of download your information. So tap on download your information and here tap on download or transfer information again. Select your profile and then tap on next. Select on available information. Tap on download a device. And then here you just need to select the date range from where you'd want to recover your end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. So and then tap on save and here just tap on create files and it will create the file and then it will download that file into your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.